Hello viewers, welcome to this platform. Happy new month to all of you watching us, wherever you're watching us from. We are super excited to welcome you to the month of March. Alright, as it is, the reason why I am here today on your screen is very simple. It's about the AFROMUSIC Talent Show Season 4. Alright, so just in case you didn't already know, the AFROMUSIC Talent Show Season 4 started from the 1st of February 2024 and ended yesterday, 29th of February 2024. It was indeed an amazing opportunity for upcoming artists to come all over and show the whole world what they are made up of. Alright, so we had a lot of whack artists who contested. We also had a few very good artists who contested. Alright, so if you have not contested yet, just watch this video to the end and we're going to tell you how to be a part of the next episode. That is the next season, which is season 5, coming up soon. Alright, so hitting straight to the updates of who won and who lost in the AFROMUSIC Talent Show Season 4. It's very simple. Alright, so during the registration process, we had over 100 artists who registered. That's incredible, right? Yeah, sure, it is. We were overwhelmed at the number of artists who are talented in Nigeria. So about 100 and something people registered. Okay, so in terms of the main competition itself, we had roughly almost 40 people who submitted their contents, and we're set to carry out the competition itself and to move into the final round, which is always the voting period. All right, so but surprisingly to us, only 11 people voted. 11 contestants out of the so many of them who submitted their video content and who got the beat for the competition, freestyled and did their performance, did their very best. Only 11 people voted, which was really very low. At the point, me and my team, we were like, what's going on with this season? These guys are not serious. But towards the last days of the voting, magic began to happen. All right, so Lily Osas has actually always been the one at the top from the start of the competition. Lily is a female gospel artist who actually contested alongside a lot of other guys and a few other ladies who actually contested too. But Lily has always strived to be at the top of the game. She has always had the highest number of votes, but I did not know that somebody was watching carefully. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to get to know who that person was and what is their votes. Okay, so initially we had Lily Osas and we had Icebank EO topping the charts with 100 and something votes. All right, Lily was about 200 and something until 2 or 3 days towards the ending of the competition. Boom! The magic began to happen. So the first person who flew to 700 plus was Lily. Lily flew from 200 plus to 700 plus votes overnight. And then boom, somebody was still watching her carefully. The artist has been struggling, sending in 10 votes, 20 votes, 100 votes, and so on. But just few days towards the closing of the competition, this guy came all out. Ladies and gentlemen, I know your ears are actually itching to know who actually won in the AFROMUSIC Talent Show Season 4. Okay, so take a chill pill and wait. Let me break the camel's back. Alright guys, so before I announce officially the winner of the AFROMUSIC Talent Show Season 4, I want to bring to your notice the second runner-up of the AFROMUSIC Talent Show Season 4. He is no other person than Baba Kings. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up to Baba Kings. Baba Kings has emerged the second runner-up of the AFROMUSIC Talent Show Season 4. Wherever you are, Baba Kings, I know you're not in the city of Lagos, you're somewhere in Anambra State watching us right now. Congratulations to you. You are the second runner-up. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So the next person which we are going to bring to you, to your notice, is no other person than Lily Osas. Lily Osas has become the first winner of the Afro Music Talent Show, beating Baba Kings. With Baba Kings actually had 500 and something votes, and Lily came all out with 1,245 votes in the Afro Music Talent Show Season 4. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up to Lily Osas! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Lily Osas, wherever you are, we are so proud of you. You have actually broken the Guinness Book of All Records for the Afro Music Talent Show competition. We have never seen a woman this talented, this determined to achieve her goals and purpose. We have always had ladies who are very talented, but they don't actually push themselves to the top. But just with a few points, you would have actually been the winner of this competition if you had just 11 more votes, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner, the grand winner of the Afro Music Talent Show actually beats Lily Osas with 11 votes only. Elegant. And guess who? Bam, 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 bam. This individual actually scored just 11 votes higher than Lily Osas, and he came all out with 1,256 votes. Ladies and gentlemen, who is this person? He is no other person than Josie Arts. Ladies and gentlemen, Josie Arts is the winner of the Afro Music Talent Show Season 4. Josie Arts, God bless you. We are proud of you. However you got to the top, I don't know, because I never saw this coming. Ladies and gentlemen, the last time I checked his vote, he was at 300 and something, and then boom, 2 days to the ending, he came all out with 700 plus. And at the end of the show, towards the last hours of the show, Josie Arts scored the highest. We were all thinking it's gonna be Lily. I was already saying Lily is the winner, but then I didn't see Josie coming. Josie came all out with 11 votes higher than Lily, who scored 1245, and Josie Arts came all out and scored 1256. Ladies and gentlemen, can we once again give it up to Josie Arts? Alright, so viewers all over the world, the Afro Music Talent Show Season 4 has officially come to a close. Today is the 1st of March, and every 1st of the next month after we are done with the show, we usually announce the winner of the Afro Music for that season. Okay, so this is the result for the Afro Music Season 4, and trust me guys, even though we had a low number of people and very few people who voted, but the few people who have voted in the Afro Music Season 4 has broken the records of this competition. I doubt, and this is like a pace setter for anybody else who is contesting in the Afro Music for the next season. If you can't beat these folks, they will remain the highest in the history of the Afro Music competition worldwide. Ladies and gentlemen, we all now are waiting to look out for the Season 5 of Afro Music Talent Show coming up on the 1st of April 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, get your axes all sharpened, because we are pulling down mountains and trees and getting yourself up to the highest level in the Afro Music Talent Show Season 5. Coming up once again on the 1st of April 2024. So go nowhere, stay right here on this platform and be the first to register. Alright, so viewers, before I get myself out of your screen, just in case you're wondering, who is this person? Who is this handsome individual talking right now? My name is no other person than Elegant Afabio, and I am the project director of the Afro Music Talent Show. So ladies and gentlemen, I am so delighted to have you watch us to this point. Do not forget to drop a comment on this video congratulating the winner. Don't forget, you watching me, don't forget to be a part of the next season of Afro Music Talent Show. I am saying Peace out. Bye.